Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with alternative models like DeepSeek and OpenAI using the configuration tricks. This will let you route your programming questions to different external brain systems to slash your digital bill costs or swap engines whenever one provider experiences an unexpected service slowdown. Step 1. Obtain your secret password keys from the new provider platforms. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window to gather your connection badges from the alternative service dashboards. Slide your mouse pointer up to your browser bar, navigate to the official website backend for DeepSeek or OpenAI, log into your personal profile account, and click the menu button that lets you build a fresh API security key token string. Copy the long sequence of mixed text letters and numbers that generates onto your screen canvas rows and save it immediately into a temporary notepad file so you do not lose it. Because the coding assistant tool cannot communicate with an outside system without your explicit permission profile pass, collecting these secret string codes provides the vital security authorization required to hook your local terminal up to the DeepSeek or OpenAI server warehouses safely. Step 2. Initialize your gateway translation tool locally. The second step is to trigger a lightweight translation script or intermediate local box program that helps your software talk to the new provider layout. Open your Black System terminal window, run the application install line for a gateway script by typing npm install-g free Claude code or running a simple Docker box on your system and hit enter. Watch the installation text rows settle until your display screen view confirms that the local adapter server is active and listening on a numbered port row. Because the standard coding assistant tool is hardwired to only speak using the native Anthropic file message structure, outside systems like OpenAI or local alternatives store their data in a different phrase pattern. Running this middle translation bridge automatically intercepts your outbound text files and rewrites them into the correct language shape so the alternative networks can understand your requests. Step 3. Map your system environment connection path rules. The third step is to enter your permanent shell profile document or active command rows to point the software engine toward your new translation hub. In your typing field, enter the custom line export Anthropic base URL equals https://localhost:3010 combined with export Anthropic API key equals dummy text and press the enter key on your board. Verify that you have also declared your specific target model string inside the configuration variables, because it officially hijacks the delivery maps used by your tool framework. Blanking out or substituting the native key lines stops the assistant from reaching out to its standard web servers. It forces all your typing data to flow straight down into your local translation gateway instead, which routes everything to your cheaper alternative accounts. And that's it. To use Claude Code with alternative models, you first visit the provider dashboard to copy your private account API key token string on your screen rows. Next, you move your mouse to your terminal window to install and launch a local translation gateway on your screen rows to match interface formats. Then, you type the base URL export commands to point your application traffic toward your local hub address to switch networks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.